Hey there everyone, I'm Nicholas Hall with Future Real Estate here in Ruidoso and Lincoln County surrounding areas. Today we're at 240 Country Club Drive in Ruidoso. We're going to take a quick tour. All of the listing information is in a link in the description. So without further ado, let's get right in. This property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's a little over 1,500 square feet. It is located really close to the Midtown shopping area. I would say within walking distance. So that is very nice, whether it's your primary, secondary, or an investment property. You know, this is a pretty centrally located place. Got the awesome fireplace here that would be great in the wintertime to keep you warm. And yeah, let's get into the rest of the house. This house also has a little dining area. Be perfect for having dinner with the family, hanging out, playing board games, whatever it is that you want to enjoy. One thing I really like about this house is this bay window right here. It's got a little nook for you to sit on, for you to read, for you to sit here and talk to whoever's cooking dinner, or to lay on like I am right now. I might just take a nap here. This is pretty nice. Back to work. All right, so we're in the kitchen now. There's this little bar area for you to chop up some food, throw it on the stove. Got a nice big sink here, plenty of cabinet space, a beautiful fridge. All the appliances stay, as well as most of the furniture. A furniture addendum is attached to the listing. Let's go into the master. Welcome into the master. It's sporting a king-size bed, so you know there's plenty of space in here. I'm a 6'4" guy, and I feel like I have plenty of space in this house. There is a wall heater to keep you nice and warm in here, and there's a big TV on the wall, and I'll show you that here in just a second. So this is the master. Welcome to the master bathroom. As you can see, I'm standing here in the walk-in shower. There's a nice big tub here, 2 vanities, the commode room. It's newly remodeled, and it is a beautiful bathroom. Welcome into the second bedroom. It's a nice little spacious spot. It's got a washer and dryer, closet, wardrobe, all the makings of a bedroom. This is bathroom number 2. Check it out. And last but not least, we have the third bedroom. This one's a pretty good size. It's sporting another king-size bed. It's got some chairs, some really bright windows, really comfortable, really warm in here. And yeah, check it out. On the front side of the house, we have this little sitting area, which would be nice in the summertime. Have a few drinks, have a beer, a glass of wine, whatever you prefer. Have a barbecue with the family, and just enjoy the fresh smell of those pine trees. We also have another covered porch here. A TV mount's already on the wall, so you know you could watch the sports games out here. And it is a beautiful little backyard. I do want to note that there is a shed up on top of the hill. There's also a workshop here on the side. So that's going to conclude the tour of 240 Country Club Drive here in Ruidoso. As always, I'm Nicholas Hall with Future Real Estate in Ruidoso and Lincoln County surrounding areas. If you have any questions about this property or the area in general, don't hesitate to reach out. All of our information is going to be at the end of this video, and you can also get it in the description below. As always, stay awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video.